Social media interactions become interesting only when it is two-way. You must get a fair chance to interact with the person you follow or the person whose videos you watch. I have started this new initiative, Ask Milestones to Wealth Anything, AMA in short, through which all of you can stay in touch, ask me questions you like to ask, clear your doubts on personal finance, learn more about Milestones to Wealth and about our PMS products, and stay connected. So, this brings us closer. I'm able to be closer to you, to help you in whatever way I can. You feel closer by asking whatever you wish to, and we grow together, helping each other along the way. So fill in this form and stay connected through Ask Milestones to Wealth Anything. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you on the topic sell advice, how to give and seek it. All of us are very keen to know what to buy. We ask everybody whom we think can give us meaningful inputs, what should I buy? We ask our peers, what are you buying? We ask advisors, what do you advise me to buy? We go and check what ultra HNIs are buying. We go to shareholding patterns and see who has bought a stock in the latest quarter. We go to the stock exchange websites and see who participated in the latest block deals. We have great interest in knowing what's happening on the buy side. On the other hand, we hardly show a matching interest to create similar awareness in ourselves about what is going on in the sell side. Somehow, we don't think it is important or valuable to know what people are selling. But knowing what people are selling is very, very important, because we may be very positive on a company simply because it has made a lot of money for us. But when it's probably close to the time to sell, we don't pay enough attention to our investment, we pay inadequate attention to the market, and we don't know what the big investors are doing. If we knew that big investors are selling a stock very aggressively, then we would also weigh on the decision, consider the pros and cons of selling, and then make an informed decision. But if you did not even know what large institutional investors and ultra HNIs are doing on the sell side, we would completely miss out on acting well in time on our investments in such companies. Most retail investors miss out completely because they don't track what large investors are doing, or they don't track it close enough. When the market goes up too much, tracking the sell side is more critical than tracking the buy side. When the market falls too much, tracking the buy side becomes more critical than tracking the sell side. But in both situations, you must be prepared to be a sensible contrarian who is ready to tap into opportunities created by the emotional or irrational behaviors of other investors. Selling is far more difficult than buying. Most people are clever buyers but poor sellers. I've seen the best of investors criticize themselves, saying, I'm a very poor seller. I simply don't get it when it comes to selling. Buying is something I'm very comfortable with. I'm sure many of you watching this video are in that same boat. But this is a time for you to be preparing to sell, to be internalizing in your mind on what you need to sell, to look for evidence that suggests that you must sell actively, to look at selling companies where you made a lot of money, but the company's performance probably doesn't merit such capital gains for investors, because markets can be irrational. Many companies can throw a lot of money at you when they should not have been doing so. As an investor, spend more time on sell decisions. Concentrate on what you need to sell. Prepare yourself, and in your mind, create a playbook on how you're going to sell, at what frequency, how much quantity. If the share goes up 20%, how much should you have sold? If it goes up 40%, how much you should have sold? So work all that math in your head and pace your selling accordingly so that you will sell out of a company gradually and consciously. Selling is now more important than buying simply because nobody wants to sell and everybody wants to buy. As an investor, it's a simple decision to oppose this trend and to be a contrarian. It's time for you to think differently and to act sensibly. It's time you acted on time. Thank you for watching this video.